If you just opened your project and everything turned red, don't panic. Everything is probably still there. Why does this happen? Resolve doesn't store the files inside the project. It just remembers where they are. So if you've moved them, renamed them, or unplugged a drive, that's what causes media offline. And we can fix it in 30 seconds. Bring up your project. You're gonna go up to the top by your media pool. Right here, this red link, relink media, click that. Screen recording, locate. We're gonna find it. I know where it is. And bang, just like that, my media has come back. And everything is back and working. You don't have to relink things one clip at a time. Just show Resolve where the folder is, it'll do the rest. Easy ways of preventing this: keep all your files together in order. A folder system so that you don't end up in this situation. Or you could download the template that I made for free. I'll leave the link in the description below. And that will give you a fancy setup timeline just like this, where everything has its own folder. And once you've imported everything, don't move anything, don't rename anything. Once you're completely finished with the project, you can move it on to another drive or something. Just make sure you know where that was so that next time if you want to go back to it and open that project, you can link the files to the new drive. And that'll do it. Say hi to DaVinci for me, and I'll catch you in the next one.